Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic plastering work. Introduction of plastering work. Internal and external plaster required tools. Requirement of good plaster. Purpose of good plaster. Introduction. Plastering work in building construction refers to the process of applying a smooth or textured coating of plaster material, typically a mixture of cement, sand, and water, to interior and exterior walls and ceilings, creating a protective layer that provides a finished aesthetic appearance while also protecting the underlaying structure and potentially improving insulation and soundproofing qualities within a space. Essentially, it's the act of covering rough surfaces with a smooth plaster layer to create a polished finish on walls and ceilings. Plastering is the process of applying plaster to internal walls. Plaster is a construction material that coats and protects the inside walls and ceilings. It is also used to decorate the walls as it can be formed into crown cornices, ceiling roses, corbels, and other architectural moldings. Tools used in plastering. Various tools are used in the process of plastering. Here are some common ones. Trowel, a handheld tool with a flat rectangular blade used for applying and smoothing plaster. Hook, a square or rectangular platform with a handle underneath used to hold and carry plaster. Plastering float, a large flat rectangular tool used for spreading and leveling plaster. Plastering derby, a long straight edged tool used for leveling and smoothing large areas of plaster. Plastering sponge, a damp sponge used for achieving a textured or polished finish. Plastering scratcher, a tool with sharp teeth used to create a rough surface on the base coat for better adhesion. Bucket and mixing puddle, used for mixing plaster and water to create a consistent mixture. Plastering rule, a straight metal or wooden ruler used for measuring and straightening plaster. Plastering corner bead, metal or plastic strips used to reinforce and protect plastered corners. Purpose of plastering. The purpose of plastering is to achieve several important objectives in construction and finishing projects. Smoothing and leveling. Achieve a smooth and even surface on walls and ceilings. Protection and durability. Provide protective layer and enhance the structural integrity of the substrate. Aesthetic enhancement. Enhance the visual appeal with various textures, patterns, and decorative finishes. Soundproof and insulation. Contribute to soundproof and provide some thermal insulation. Fire resistance. Act as a barrier against the spread of flames and offer fire resistance properties. Requirement of good mortar. A good mortar should show good adhesive properties with the surface it is applied. It should develop the requirement of stress and should be able to withstand them as well. It should show enough resistance to water from penetrating into its layer. It should be durable, cheap, and easily workable. It should not affect the durability of other materials it comes in contact with. For maintaining the pace of construction, it should set quickly. A good mortar should always be economical. Diagrammatic representation of plastering work. Diagrammatic representation of plastering work. Diagrammatic representation of plastering work and starting time of smooth finishes in plastering.